Good afternoon. We are going to talk about the European Central Bank. The members of my group are Isaac Cantor, Osvaldo Perez, and me, Julio Bautista. The main function of the European Central Bank are maintain price stability in the euro area and so preserve the purchasing power of the single currency. How is it doing? It authorizes in the manufacture of euro banknotes. It makes evolution of price stability surveillance. It supervises financing markets and institutions. It's set by interest rates with which lends to commercial banks and euro area, thereby controlling the money supply and inflation. It is the one that manages foreign exchange reserve of the euro area. It is the one that treats topics of European and international cooperation. The leaders of the European Central Banks are Mario Draghi is the president and Victor Constancio is vice president of and governors of national central banks from all EU countries.
Okay, we're going to talk about organization. It is split in four. The Government Council. It is the organ that makes decisions, formulates monetary policy, and approves projects processed by the Board Supervision. It is composed of 6 members of the Exclusive Boards and the 9 governors of the central banks in the Eurozone. Second, Exclusive Board. It is composed of the President, Vice President, and 4 of other members appointed by the European Council. The purpose of the Exclusive Board are it prepares the meetings, is implementing monetary policy, is exercising the power delegated by beyond the Governing Council.
In this picture, we can see the president of the European Central Bank. He is Mario Draghi. Continue with the organization. We can see the General Council. It is composed of the ECB president, the president, and governor of the ECBs. Include representatives are 19 member countries of the Eurozone and 9. This function is it gathers the statistical information. It makes the ECB annual report. It establishes conditions of employment of staff of the ECB. Other organization is Supervisory Board. It is composed of a president, a vice president, elected from among the members of the executive board of the ECB. 4 representatives of the ECB representative of national supervision. The purpose of Supervisory Board is discuss plans and execute the tasks of supervision of the ECB.
About the history, we can see that the first step towards the creation of the ECB was the detention in 1988 to establish an economic and monetary union developed in 3 phases. October 1998, ECB announced the externally and the operation framework of the policy single monetary that applied on January 1999 for 19 countries of the Eurozone. The location of the Euro Central Bank is here in Frankfurt, in Germany.
The decision the European Central Bank is the Government Council meets for general norm 2 times a month in the location of the ECB in Frankfurt del Meno, Germany. Every 6 weeks, the Government Council releases evaluation of the economy and monetary evolution and adopts decisions on monetary policy.
The capital subscription of the European Central Bank. The capital of the ECB ascends to more than 10,000 million euros. That the contribution of the Central National Bank's ECM of the zone of the euro ascends to a total of more than 7,000 millions of euros.
Continue with capital subscription. The capital spent by ECM not belonging to the zone of the euro ascend to a total of more than 120 million euros. The BCN of the countries not belonging to the zone of the euro neither have right to take a part in the distributable profit of the ECB. They are not as persons in charge of covering these losses. In this graphic, we can see Euro area and ECB's contribution to the ECB's capital. For example, we can see the most contribute capital at the European Central Bank is Germany, Spain, France, and Italy.
The countries that less contribute for the European Central Bank are almost 8, and the least one is Europe, that we can see here in these graphics, with only 0.15%.
In this graphic, we can see the countries that of non-euro areas that doing contribution of the ECB's capital. The first one country are United Kingdom, then Poland. United Kingdom doing about 13 percentage of the total contribution.
This is the last graphic of the non-euro area contribution of ECB capital. The least one is Bulgaria with only 0.85%. Our bibliography was get in this website, the central website of the ECB, European Central Bank. And thank you for your attention, and it was a pleasure to having you today.